Hello there. Welcome to this video where we will talk about what ChatGPT is and the way that it works. What is ChatGPT? OpenAI developed ChatGPT, an advanced language model. Based on the input it receives, it is designed to comprehend and produce text that is human-like. The cutting-edge deep learning technique known as the transformer architecture is a foundation upon which ChatGPT is built. This architecture enables ChatGPT to process a large amount of text data and produce responses that are extremely accurate. ChatGPT works by using input to predict the next word in a text sequence. It is able to comprehend the context and meaning of the input because it has been trained on a large amount of text data. It analyzes the input and generates a response based on the patterns and relationships it has learned from the training data after receiving it. ChatGPT can be utilized in numerous applications, including content creation, chatbots, customer service, and more. It is extremely adaptable and can be incorporated into a variety of systems to automate and increase productivity. Additionally, it is adaptable to specific requirements and application scenarios. So there you have it. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Whether you're a business owner, developer, or just someone interested in artificial intelligence, it's definitely worth taking a closer look at this amazing tool. We appreciate you watching this video on ChatGPT. Please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. Additionally, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for additional videos similar to this one.